Hello, this is Renovation Update, day 21. Let's take a look around and see what has been done. So in the kitchen area, more of the plumbing work has been done over here. Bathroom, they were just getting this wall over here nice and straight and ready because they're going to tile this tomorrow. And then I noticed that this wall over here is actually skew. I saw from this side, so unfortunately it was made that way, so they just had to kind of make it as straight as they can. And then we were also just looking at the placement of the tiles over here, and they're just getting all the finishing touches up over here and everything like that, but that's about it. So tomorrow they will do the shower and start painting the ceiling, I think. Yep, cool.